All right, YouTube. Guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm up here running on the trail today. It's covered. We got about 4 to 6 to 8, I don't know, inches of snow since yesterday. Just doing a little run walk thing uptown. It's a little bit covered on this trail. Take a look. I'm going to at least go 2 miles up, and 2 miles back will be 4 miles, and then I'll well, when I get up there to the bridge and further out, I'll see what the trail looks like. Nobody's been through here on four-wheelers. Just saw some horses, and the family with the horses said that there's no four-wheeler tracks. Just tracks for people walking, and of course some of their horses. I'm going slow, but it seems like it's taking a lot of effort for some reason. Trying not to fall. I don't have my yak tracks. I don't know why I didn't think to wear them, but oh well. I'm taking it easy. Got to work from home today, so I was able to get ready right after I got finished with my work, and put my clothes on and head out. I'll get back before 3 or 3-ish, 3 something, I think. If I go to the senior center, that's going to take me over an hour. If I just go to the bridge or 2 miles, it might still be an hour. And this will be our first significant snowfall in this area of West Virginia. We've had some snow, but this is 4 to 8 in the lowlands, and 10 to 15 in the mountain regions, more east. Now, looks like the cutoff for the snow goes right between the West Virginia border. They all say the mountains help shield that part of Virginia. You know, Virginia and DC, they don't get as much snow there as we do on the western side of those mountains. So that's why when they get a lot of snow there in DC, it's a big deal because they don't get a lot of snow there. I mean, they get 3 inches and they're like, whoo, we gotta close the roads. Anyway, in West Virginia, you get 3 inches, we're like, hey, let's go for a ride. Tell me how it is there where you live. Valerie Reese, if you're watching this, where you used to live and where you moved to. How's it the snowfall there? Let me know, I wanna know. Now Sammy asked me, why do you want to go outside and run when you got a perfectly good treadmill upstairs? Simple. We don't get to go out and play in the snow much anymore now that we're adults. And I've been running in the snow for 8 years, or almost 10 years, I guess. So, or maybe more than that. Anyway, let's say 10 years, 12 years maybe. When I first started running, Anyway, it's been a long time I've been running out in the snow. Didn't get much of it last year because January was it was probably more of a dry month. And then I fell in February, stopped running in March. So by then, I was only doing my treadmill stuff, and I wasn't going outside. So this is kind of a treat, being able to run outside again. But I'm kind of sliding. Get a little slippy out here, as a determined runner says. I'm at about 1.25 miles, or a little bit more than that, but yeah, I've just been slipping a lot. I'm gonna walk a bit, and then I'll start running again. Well, it doesn't look like anybody's been driving on this. It looks like it's just like 2 different walkways, one on each side, but it's too random to be like somebody was driving on it, like a 4-wheeler or something. Like the guys on the horse said, didn't look like a 4-wheeler came through, so it makes it a little tough to run in or on, or whatever you want to call it. But it reminds me of my Run to Read race last year. A lot of snow that day. Snow on the trail, but not, it wasn't snowing. Just the snow had already fallen, and it was just on the trail. But as far back that I was, there was enough, it was wide enough for, there was a track going out on the trail, and another track going back. So people knew to stay to the right. If you wanted to pass, you go to the left. But yeah, that's what this reminds me of. I'm about at the 2-mile mark. I feel good. I think I'm just going to keep on going up to the senior center and back. I'm at about a half an hour now, so it'll be a little over an hour when I get back there to the house. Maybe an hour and 20 minutes, something like that. But I'll make it happen. Okay, let me correct myself. It wasn't last year's Run to Read race. It was the year before that, 2022, because I didn't run the race in 2023. I don't know why. I don't remember. Just for whatever reason, I didn't run it that year. But I'm getting up here where I can walk, so I'm gonna walk a bit around this area here so I don't fall. There might be some water underneath of this ice up here. There might be some water, like some ice that's not completely frozen on the puddles up here, going behind the Rainbow Plaza Shopping Center. Whoa! See what I mean? Should have had my yaks. Okay, well, I've made it to the senior center. I'm walking along what I think is possibly the blacktop trail that goes around the senior center. Can't really tell where I'm going. It's all covered, as expected. I don't know, they might get somebody up here by Monday and try to clean this up a little bit. Monday is supposed to rain, be in the 50s. Next week, Monday or Tuesday, something like that. So by then, most of this stuff will be gone, after the rain especially. But you know me, I'm up here, did my 3 miles up here, now I gotta do 3 miles back. This is deep. Check it out, you're gonna go in the snow. See how deep it is. Okay. Hope it doesn't do much to the microphones, but anyway, just having fun, dipping in the snow. The lens is a little wet now, but the screen I can still see myself. So anyway, I'm gonna head back down. I got to get back home so Stacy and I can go get dinner. We need gas in her car. Got to get dinner. Sammy had plans to go to, well, to bring some friends over today after school, but school was canceled. The governor issued a state of emergency in all 55 West Virginia counties. Every county canceled school. And she had a orthodontist appointment today. That was canceled, rescheduled for next week. So we got nothing going on today, but tomorrow Stacy's gonna take the girls to get, or they're gonna go they're gonna watch a movie, I think. I can't remember. Anyway, Sammy's friends are coming over. I don't know if they're spending the night, but they're gonna come over or meet at the movies or something. Anyway, they got plans, that's all I know. But my plans are to go back home. So let's go. Well, ask and ye shall receive. Guy just came by on a 4-wheeler, dug me some tracks in the snow. Check it out. Yeah, if I could choose from the right side or the left side. Right now, I'm on the left side, but I think I'm gonna go to the right side. About a mile, less than a mile and a half from home. All right, well, that was kind of a slow 6 miles, so almost an hour and a half, 128. I had to walk some of it because of the trail, but a little hard to get my footing straight. Sometimes it was slippy here and there. But the first big snowfall of winter for us. My first run outside in the snow. Yesterday didn't count because you can still see the grass. Now you can't see the grass. So a lot of snow here tonight. Right now, it's supposed to snow into the night and stop sometime in the middle of the night, and then just be cold overnight. I think it's supposed to be nice tomorrow, but then cold, of course, overnight again. And then next week starts the warm up and the melting of the snow. But I just wanted to get out and test myself in the snow, see what it was like, see if it was a little bit harder, which it is a little bit harder for me still. I think it's going to take a while for me to get used to just running outside in general, to get myself where I was before. I ran 5 miles yesterday. It took me over an hour, but and that was without any significant stopping or walking. But I probably could have got under an hour if I didn't stop or walk yesterday. I mean, I did walk some because there was a hill, but wow, it is snowing really good. Look, check this out. So pretty, see the snow at my house. Snow coming down. Ain't she pretty? Alright guys, hope you liked the video. Let me know what you did for your run, and if you ran this week while it snowed, the big snowstorm going across the country, especially in the Northeast. The entire state of West Virginia is getting snow today, last night, tonight. Snow plows are out. There they go. There's the lights. State road out getting the snows, cloud off the roads. And then making the roads safe for us. Anyway, hope you guys liked the video. Comment, subscribe. Let me know what you're up to. Share if you think somebody wants to know what I'm doing. How I'm doing with myself getting my fitness back up on track where it was before my back pain. Most of all, guys, remember it's a great day to go for a run. Wherever you may be, don't forget to come back again tomorrow. And don't forget to come back again so you can see me in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys. Ooh.